Hey everybody, we're in the shop today slotting fretboards for ukuleles and banjo ukes, and I'm going to show you the little jig I have set up to do that. It's set up on my little table saw, and it only is used for this right now. This is a Unisaw Junior from 1941, I believe, and up top you see this sled that goes back and forth. What it's riding over is a special table saw blade that's extra thin with stabilizers on each side. This width of the blade is the size of the fret slot. And then down here on the sled there's a little pin. It's an alignment pin, and we use these templates that have a little slot for the pin for each fret you want to cut. So now we have a fretboard double stick tape to it, and I'll set this down, get my ear protection on, and you can watch it run. I'll cut a few slots and then show you the results. So the first one there, that's where it'll get cut off for the nut, and then first fret, second fret, etc. Here's the last one I just did. So I have the ability to cut as many fret slots as I want. I can make them whatever depth I want, etc. I've cut a lot of fretboards by hand, but I prefer doing this. It goes real quick. I'll probably do 10 of them in the next 40 minutes or so. So there you go.